Hi, this is your chore chart tutorial. First, let's go over some features. The big green dollar amount calculates the earnings as boxes are checked. You can change the child's name, the chore description, and the chore amounts by clicking in the cell just once, then type the desired outcome. First, I'll change the name from Drake to Justin. Now I'll change the first chore from take out trash to make my bed. Now let's change the reward from $2 to 50 cents. Now when you check the box, it will add 50 cents. Follow these same steps for the rest of the chart. Now I'll check a few more boxes just to bring the total up a bit so we can take a look at the bank. Here at the bank, you'll see the chart's running total for the week. Below that is the bank's total. At the end of each week, before you clear the chart, you'll need to manually add the chart's week total to the bank's total. Below in the gray cells are 5 savings accounts. Here you can change the percentages, the items, and the item prices. All 5 percentages must equal 100%. In the bottom 2 rows, the savings account totals and the remaining amount to earn for an item are automatically updated. Let's go back to the chart. Note: at the top is a link to the best deal I could find for dry erase covers and markers. Now let's move on to printing. First, make sure you have updated the chart to your desired settings and all the boxes are unchecked. Now at the top, click File. In the drop-down, click Download, then choose PDF. Make sure the settings are set to your preferred size and fits in the preview window. Then click Export at the top, hit Save. Now you can print the PDF. Save all the PDFs for future printing. I sincerely hope these charts help to make everyone's life easier and fun. Below in the description is a link to these chore charts. You can purchase them here, or if you already purchased, I would love a good review. Thank you so much.